What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another hair video. I'm super excited because I am working with a brand that I've worked with on many occasions, and I absolutely love their brand. Their wigs, like, top tier. Packaging is always nice. HerGivenhair. So we have a curly half wig that we're going to be trying out today. I'm super excited to be filming this video because I'm doing a new technique, you guys. We are going to be curling my hair with a skewer. Yes, a skewer. Like, I'm so excited to try this out. So let's get into it. I can rip open. Woo woo. So this wig right here is a 3-in-1 half wig. The length is 18 inches. The texture is coily, 3C to 4A. The hair color is 1B. And the cap size is free size. So I did a video not too long ago and I was showing you guys another half wig from them. It was a different texture. I'll link that video in the card so you guys can check it out. But this one today, I'm super excited to be working with this unit because, baby, look at her. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so you have your combs in the inside. You have one comb right here. You have two on the side, one in the back, and you have your adjustable straps that is going to help with security. Like I said in the beginning, I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying out a new method. Never did this before. So basically, I'm gonna tell y'all a little later when we're doing it. This one is a little skinnier than this right here. So I'm not sure which size I'm going to use. Let's prep my hair first. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to get your hair to blend in with the unit, and I am relaxed. So my hair is naturally straighter. I don't have like a curl pattern that will match this unit. However, I'm going to show you how you can get it to match, even if you are straight, even if your hair is not the same curl pattern as this unit. So that's what we're going to be doing today. First things first, you want to part out a section in the front. This is going to be your section to blend in with the unit. I'm not going to do too much. I want enough, but not too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do the wig first. I'm going to style the wig first, meaning I'm going to put a little water on it and a little product and just comb through it to just define the curls. So I'm just going to comb through it first, and then we're going to apply some product to it just to define the curls a little bit more. Alright, so what I'm going to do to make this a little easier is I'm going to take it off and I'm going to go wet it at the sink. Alright, so with this unit, I do want to cut a few layers in it. And I'm going to go ahead and do this before I blend my hair with it. So I'm just going in a downward motion and just cutting the hair just to add some layers and for it to shape my face, frame my face. You can already see a little bit how this has some more, you know, definition to it, has a little bit more volume, and this is just, you know, hanging. So I absolutely love how it looks after I cut a few layers in it. So before I curl, I'm going to go ahead and clip this hair back so it's not in the way. I've already noticed that my hair is a little bit lighter than this wig, so I'm excited to try this technique out though. So I'm just going to take a little section. So I'm going to break this into two, and all I'm going to do is wrap my hair around the skewer. So I'm going to wrap it around. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm going to take the flat irons and I'm going to go down just like applying a little heat all the way around. Can you see the curl that made? I'm gonna wrap it around and just apply some heat. So before I go in and curl it, I am gonna straighten my roots out just a little bit. So with this, I'm going to take my hair, take my skewer, start right here at the top, and just start wrapping. After you're done, you just want to slide it out and you see the curl. So you see the curl? Curl is really pretty and it matches really well with this curl pattern. I'm going to continue to curl the front of my hair. I will say that this process is time consuming, so if you are like in a rush, I definitely wouldn't recommend that you do this technique. However, the curls do match well with the unit. Also, you can also do a heatless method where you can use smaller rods and roll your hair up to match the unit. After curling my hair in the front, I did spray a little holding spray, and then I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair, and I'm really just blending my hair in with the unit just to blend everything together, and I slick my edges back. All in all, these types of units, the 3-in-1 units, are really great. They're beginner friendly, and I love the fact that they are so versatile where you can wear this unit as a ponytail. You can also do a half up, half down style with it, or you can wear it like this. So it's so much that you can do with this unit. You can clip one side back. So I'm just going to show you how you can just brush it back, and you can wear like a half up, half down situation. But I lost the clip, so I couldn't fully show you guys. But thank y'all so much for watching. I will have this particular unit listed down below in the description box. Thank you so much to HerGivenhair for sending us over this unit. I will see you guys in my next video.